Hey, welcome back to my channel. As requested, I'd like to give you guys an update on the DIY water fountain that I did last year. It's been a year and a couple of months, and I have had no issues or problems with this project whatsoever. During the warmer months, I do add water to it, maybe twice a week, and during the cooler months, maybe every other week. But the pump has worked just fine. I haven't had to use any special water. I just use water straight from the water hose. I haven't had any trouble with the pump having any blockages or anything, literally. It's been the lowest maintenance project ever. I love it, my kids love it, and it just adds such a nice appeal to our front yard and our porch. You know, just to have some coffee or some iced tea, and the kids love to play in it, of course. But yeah.